In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp link. Open your WhatsApp. There are three types of links you can create on WhatsApp, right? Your profile link, video call link, and voice call link, right? Now, to create your profile link, open up your WhatsApp, type in wa.me, right? Slash, enter your country code and your phone number, right? So this is how it's going to appear once you are done. If I copy it now and send to someone, this is how it's going to appear, right? So I'm going to paste it. So this is how it's going to appear. This is how to create your WhatsApp profile link. Now, to create a WhatsApp voice call link, I'm going to click on this call. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, new call link, right? So I'm going to switch it from video to voice, right? So this is how to create a voice link, right? Then to create a video link, you're going to just switch this voice from voice to video, right? So this is how you can create it. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'm going to see you on the very next